Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we learn 60 short English sentence for daily routine. So without wasting of time, let's start the new lesson.
Short conversation sentence. तुम बहुत अच्छे हो. You are great. You are great. क्या तुम जानते हो? Do you know? Do you know? कभी मत भूलना. Never forget. Never forget. मेरे साथ आओ. Come with me. Come with me. जगह खाली करो. Vacate the place. Vacate the place. अपनी सोच बदलो. Change your mind. Change your mind. अपना लहजा दुरुस्त करो. Mind your language. Mind your language. अपना काम करो. Do your work. Do your work. लड़ो मत. Don't fight. Don't fight. अपनी हद में रहो. Be in your limit. कोई मसला नहीं. No problem. No problem. ज़रा एहतियात से. Be careful. Be careful. मेरी मदद करो. Please help me. Please help me. मुझे कोई परवाह नहीं. I don't care. I don't care. समझने की कोशिश करो. Try to understand. Try to understand. गाड़ी में बैठो. Get in the car. Get in the car. गाड़ी से उतरो. Get off the car. Get off the car. अच्छी कोशिश की. Nice tried. Nice tried. मुझे मालूम था. I knew it. I knew it. कुछ भी नहीं हुआ. Nothing happened. Nothing happened. पंखा बंद कर दें. Turn off the fan. Turn off the fan. मुझे फ़ोन कर देना. Give me a call. Give me a call. कवानीन की पासदारी करो. Obey the rules. Obey the rules. कौन सा करना है? Which to do. Which to do. कहीं नहीं. Nowhere. Nowhere. मैं इंतज़ार नहीं कर सकता. I cannot wait. I cannot wait. मुझे कुछ पता नहीं. I have no idea. I have no idea. तुम पागल हो क्या? Are you crazy? Are you crazy? अच्छे की उम्मीद रखो. Hope for good. Hope for good. क्या मुसीबत है? What a trouble. What a trouble. ये आपकी पसंद है. It's your choice. It's your choice. असल बात पर आओ. Come to the point. Come to the point. ये बहुत ज़्यादा है. This is too much. This is too much. अपना दिमाग लगाओ. Apply your brain. Apply your brain. कभी हार मत मानो. Never give up. Never give up. कोई शक नहीं. No doubt. No doubt. मुझे मालूम है. I know. I know. मुझे ऐसा नहीं लगता. I don't think so. I don't think so. कोशिश करते रहो. Keep trying. Keep trying. मैं आपके साथ हूँ. I am with you. I am with you. गाली मत दो. Don't abuse. Don't abuse. गौर से सुनो. Listen carefully. Listen carefully. मेरा इंतज़ार करना. Wait for me. Wait for me. मुझसे वादा करो. Promise me. Promise me. जैसा आपको अच्छा लगे. As you like. As you like.
वीडियो पसंद आए तो वीडियो को लाइक करें. इसे संभालो. Handle this. Handle this. यहाँ ध्यान दो. Focus here. Focus here. मुझे इजाज़त दो. Allow me. Allow me. हमेशा के लिए. Forever. Forever. Come is come. At least. At least. यहाँ से जाओ. Go from here. Go from here. मुझसे बात करो. Talk to me. Talk to me. मुझे आपका ख्याल है. I care about you. I care about you. इसकी वजाहत करो. Explain it. Explain it. मेरा मसला नहीं. Not my problem. राब्ते में रहना. Keep in touch. Keep in touch. मेरे पास वक्त नहीं. I don't have time. I don't have time. मेरा यकीन करो. Believe me. Believe me. तुम फिक्र ना करो. You don't worry. You don't worry. हमेशा खुश रहो. Always be happy. Always be happy. ये मेरा है. It is mine. It is mine. लिख लो मेरी बात. Mark my word. Mark my words. मैं ये कर सकता हूँ। आई कैन डू इट, आई कैन डू इट। कोई खास बात नहीं, नथिंग स्पेशल, नथिंग स्पेशल। दिखावा मत करो, डोंट शो ऑफ, डोंट शो ऑफ। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग व्यूवर्स। वीडियो पसंद आए तो वीडियो को लाइक एंड कमेंट करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें।